Today we're going to learn how to crochet this quick and easy star applique step by step. The yarn I'm using is this thickness. My crochet hook size is 3.5. First we make a slip knot and chain 4. We insert the hook into the first chain and join with a slip stitch. I chain 1 and crochet 10 half double crochets. We yarn over the hook and insert it into the center of our circle, keeping the yarn under our hand. We crochet a total of 10 half double crochets. Then we pull the yarn tight and our circle is ready. We insert the hook in the top of the first stitch, yarn over and pull through, joining with a slip stitch. We chain 5. Skip one chain and insert the hook into the next chain with a slip stitch. In the next chains, we make a single crochet, chain half double crochet and chain double crochet, skipping chain chain in between. We insert the hook into the top of the next chain and join with a slip stitch. Chain 5. We continue in this way until the end of the row. After finishing the last stitch, We skip one chain and slip stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Lift the hook and pull the yarn tight. We weave the short end of the yarn through the stitches in the opposite direction. Cut the remaining 2 short ends. Our star is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials. See you in the next video.